Welcome back. Joining us in studio once again this morning, baking extraordinaire Lori Horton, and we're making a sweet graduation themed display today.
Yes.
Yes.
So the charcuterie is all the rage right now, so we had to, put a little spin on it with the sweets. So this one's kind of perfectly themed for graduation. Of course, we can change up colors for whatever school you've got going on. We kind of did a little red and gold here. I think Pitt State's kind of ruling the roost this weekend, so a lot going on there. But I got a little head start on arranging some of my mini cupcakes. And on top of these, all I did was go through my little alphabet cookies that have letters on top, and I spelled out congrats, class of. And then I've got some little mini brownie bites here that have our 2023 on them. So yeah, I think we want to start with kind of getting those on there because that's kind of like got our message on it. So we want to make sure that those get situated in a prominent spot on the board. And then after that, it's just kind of fun, and you can arrange this however you want. You can really set it up with whatever kind of treats that you guys like. So we've got a really good variety here of some different flavors. I'm going to lay out some cookies. We've got lemon cake. We have got some vanilla meringues. These are really simple to make, but you can just use a lot of store-bought items, or you can make some things from scratch. It really just depends on what you have time for. And with so many things going on, sometimes when you've got one graduating,
so you can have a variety, so it really pops on your display.
And what I've got here too that I'm going to add is some, some like dips with that. So I have got some coffee flavored sweet cream, like icing.
Oh, yummy!
I have got just some good old chocolate buttercream, which you cannot go wrong with. Some hazelnut spread. We will not use a brand name, but I think we all know what that is. Strawberry cream cheese, and then also some strawberry jam. So
unless you want to stand at your table and like tell everybody what's in all of those,
I have you covered.
Yes.
I have you covered.
And so what a cute way to do this.
When we get all done, what we're going to do is add just some little flags. I know these are really tiny. You guys probably can't see those well. But it's just some
jam.
Tiny little flags. We'll put in all of these little goodies that tell everybody exactly what they are. And that way there's no confusion, no question. Is this lemon? Is it whatever flavor? Is this strawberry? Is it coffee? We'll have all of that all set up for you guys when it's all said and done.
If you have a variety of guests, a large amount of guests attending, then it's a good idea to, like, if you have something with nuts in it, maybe
that as well. And you want to kind of think about that too when you're laying things out of like what's next to each other. So if you do have, I have some peanut butter cookies that I'm going to lay out on our tray today. So you maybe kind of keep those a little bit off to one side in case you do have somebody with an allergy issue, so that it's not kind of cross-contaminating the rest of your board.
Okay, we've got a good start. We've started with our base, what we wanted really to pop. When we come back a little bit later in the show, we are going to finish our sweet charcuterie display. In the meantime, we've got an interesting story about spaghetti in the woods after the break.